Hello and welcome to the CABS YouTube channel. Despite a clear legal ban, songbird trapping is still widespread in the Mediterranean, and Cyprus is undoubtedly one of the major trapping hotspots. Every year, millions of birds end up as umbelopolia, still a popular delicacy on Cyprus. Professional trappers have set up thousands of mist nets and limesticks to get the birds. CABS, the Committee Against Bird Slaughter, is working together with local law enforcement agencies to locate and destroy these illegal trapping devices. The following video shows what our teams found in spring 2009. Cape Pula, in the southeastern corner of Cyprus.
You must be a professional, no?
In this area alone, poachers have planted hundreds of trees to create artificial gardens to lure the bird. Hundreds of nets await the birds in this labyrinth. Mist nets are set out in spring, but most birds are trapped in autumn and winter, probably up to 10 million each year. Nets are set everywhere, in scrub, gardens and orchards. In the east of the island, there are traps in almost every garden. The past 10 years have seen the introduction of hundreds of tape lures. Calling day and night, these devices lure the birds to the traps, and very few live to tell the tale.
Hier ist der Lautsprecher.
Wo?
Hier. Ja, klar.
Wo? Ach, der ist aktiv. Hier mal zu. Laufen, ne?
Trapping with limesticks is an old tradition of Cyprus and, although illegal, is still very popular. The practice is tolerated by the authorities and hundreds of installations catch migratory birds all the year round.
Ein Lockvogel, halt, Lockvogel. Oh, alles voll.
In this location, volunteers found a large limestick installation of more than 400 traps set in the scrub, with a catch of some 100 birds daily. Not only passerines are vulnerable to limesticks, but also bee-eaters, rollers, harriers, kestrels, turtle doves and even owls. Trappers trim the bushes to make the limestick trap attractive for the birds to perch. Birds find a perch, become glued to the lime, and hang upside down for many hours before being killed by the poachers.
Was? Nee.
Nee, da hängt nur der Fuß.
Was ist das da oben?
Hast du ihn geknurrt?
Rare and endangered species are often found in the traps, like this golden oriole.
Loslassen.
Weg mit der Hand.
Or this wryneck.
Schnell!
Here, the glue used, a green and sticky mass from which it is impossible for a bird to release itself. Birds are trapped for home consumption or to be sold. Restaurants all over the island sell umbelopolia, the Greek name for blackcap, as a traditional but banned delicacy that can cost up to €40. A big deal for trappers. Combating bird poaching can be dangerous. For police officers as well as for volunteers, CABS groups have received death threats, been physically attacked and stalked. Poachers are aggressive and feel immune from prosecution.
Be very careful. Be very careful because something's going to happen to you people. You people come and take people to the police. Who do you think you are? The police? There's no need for you people to come here. If I feel like protecting the birds. But why? People, they kill each other these days. They kill children. So one thing and the other. And for a few birds, for people to eat. It's our country thing. This is happening to grandfathers. Are you coming from Europe? Who do you think you are? You coming to our country to take people like criminals to the courts? You don't do a good job. I'm telling you. You have to be very careful. Because I'm telling you, I got a feel, if I catch someone like you inside, it has to be war. I'm going to do a war. The police is not catching me. I got an amnesty for all of that. And if I find someone in my field, or I die, or the one I find in my field, you have to call together from there. I'm telling you, or me or you people.
Despite threats, our volunteers continued to work day and night. Altogether, they found and destroyed 2,136 limesticks, 33 nets and 14 calling devices, freeing 150 birds, blackcaps, warblers, sparrows and even owls. Nevertheless, freeing a few hundred of birds is scarcely more than a gesture when millions die every year on Cyprus. The authorities must do a great deal more to enforce the law in future. Over the next few years, CABS intends to make a greater effort to combat poaching on Cyprus, with more camps and more volunteers, and raising the political stakes by putting pressure on the Cyprus government and the European Commission. The creation of a free and safe passage over Cyprus for migratory birds is long overdue.